Today, I'm going to be planting some seeds with my granddaughter, Madison. Of course, because of the pandemic quarantine, she can't be with me, but she's going to be watching via the computer screen on FaceTime while I plant some wonderful seeds with her. We first start by planting the seeds in these cups so that the birds don't steal the seeds. And then after we take them in the house and the plants grow up, then I'll transplant them into some bigger pots for the grandchildren. Each of the grandchildren will have their name on their cups, and then when we get to see each other again, they will actually take home their plants. So my thought was there's different color cups for different kinds of vegetables. So we have some different colors. Can you tell me what these colors are?
Red. What's that color?
Red, and this one is silver.
Yellow.
And we have green. It's kind of hard to see. That's green, and this is gold. Okay, we don't have room for gold, so we'll start with these. Okay, so now you have some choices. You've got these kind of tomatoes. Can you see them if I put them right here?
Yeah.
You can have those kind of tomatoes. See, we'll show you. Or you can have some peas you can plant. Or you can have the little baby tomatoes.
Baby tomato.
Okay, you want to plant baby tomatoes? We can do baby tomatoes in this one. And you have two more to pick. You can have green beans.
Green beans.
Okay, you want green beans? And then you have a big tomato. What would you like?
The big tomato.
Big tomato can go in there, okay. Each cup. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some soil in the cup. We're not gonna fill it all the way up yet. And then we're gonna get a seed. Why? Well, because we wanna plant the seeds. The seeds are tiny. Oh my gosh, they're so little. You can barely see them. See them?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll put some seeds in there. And then we're gonna put more soil on the top. And the reason we're gonna put them in cups is because your Auntie Andrea told me that if you don't, the birds can come along, and when the little plants are tiny, the birds can eat them. This is gonna be our big tomato, our early girl hybrid. So let's go ahead and see what these seeds look like. Oh, they're tiny because they're stuck at the bottom. Oh, those are tiny babies. See them? Okay, but what do we need first? Dirt, soil, yes. Are we gonna fill it all the way up? Wait a minute, not all the way up, because where do we have to put in there? The
seeds.
The seeds. So we're putting seeds in. And then what do we have to put on top? More dirt, potting soil. Okay, this one is gonna be this one. Now what else do seeds need besides dirt to grow? Do you know?
Vegetables.
They need vegetables to grow? They'll grow into vegetables, but don't they need water?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get some water. Okay, we're gonna put some water in each one. Okay, and then the other thing plants need to grow is they need to be in sunshine. So we're gonna set these in the window in Grandma's house, protect them from the birds. But before we do that, we need to put your name on these, huh? So we need to write what they are in each one, and we need to write your name. So this first one is a cherry tomato. So we're gonna write on there, we're gonna write your name, Madison. And then we're gonna write what it is. This is cherry tomato. Okay, the next one, this is a garden bean. So we're gonna write your name. We're gonna write Madison Garden Bean. And then the last one is gonna be our big tomato, our early girl. We're gonna say Madison.
Grace.
Madison, oh, you want your middle name. Okay, Grace. Let's see if you can remember. What are the 3 things that seeds need?
Sunshine.
Sunshine, yes.
And dirt.
Dirt. And what's the 3rd thing they need?
They need water.
Exactly, they need water. So we're gonna put, do you remember why we put the doggy here in the window?
No.
Well, because when little boys and girls walk by and they look up and see the doggy, it makes them smile.